And here is the Vegan's Almanac for today, the 16th of March. March 16th is National Panda Day. Every year on March 16th, we celebrate the fluffiest bamboo munching pears that are a source of national pride for China. Giant pandas live only in the remote mountainous regions of China. As of 2019, due to rapidly growing population numbers, the status of pandas was upgraded from endangered species to vulnerable species. Still, it is reported that there are less than 2,000 pandas left in the wild due to habitat loss, animal agriculture, fur hunting, and other factors. Pandas live about 15 to 20 years in the wild. One factor contributing to their vulnerable status is the low birth rate for pandas. Considering that female pandas are only fertile 2 or 3 days of the year, it makes sense that reproduction is more difficult for this species. Newborn pandas are blind. They start to see around 6 weeks old. Throughout their lives, they rely on spatial memory more than visual memory. Though pandas are normally shy and antisocial with humans, they love to cuddle with each other while they nap for hours after a meal. The most important factor for preserving wild pandas is to protect their environment, especially bamboo forests, their main source of nutrition. Panda bears play an important part in the ecosystem of China's bamboo forests by spreading seeds and therefore growing new vegetation, which serves both humans and animals. The Chinese consider pandas to be honored guests, and some believe they bring good luck. In 1929, the Roosevelt brothers became the first foreigners to shoot a panda. In 1961, the Worldwide Fund for Nature was formed and created their logo around the panda because they are an animal that is beautiful, endangered, and loved by many people in the world, as said by Sir Peter Scott, one of the first WWF founders. The panda became a symbol of the conservation movement around the world, a call to action to preserve endangered species and our natural wildlife environments for our wild animals. According to a scientific paper published in 2015 by the Society for Conservation Biology, preserving the natural habitat of the giant panda also helps 70% of the country's forest birds, 70% of the mammals, and 31% of the amphibians. Pandas play a crucial role in their bamboo forests, and it's our job to protect them. March 16th is also National Artichoke Day. Artichokes are from the Mediterranean and are one of the oldest foods in the world. They have been enjoyed by people around the Mediterranean since at least the 8th century. Today, we love eating them boiled, baked, steamed, grilled, fried, and every other way. In America, 99.9% of the artichokes we buy are grown in California, and in fact, the artichoke is the official state vegetable. In Italy, artichoke hearts in oil are traditional. In Spain, young artichokes are mixed with rice for paella. In Rome, they are fried whole. And in the Middle East, they are stuffed with vegetables and spices. Artichokes are actually the flowers of the artichoke plant, which explains why they're so beautiful. Some flower shops even feature artichokes still on the stem, sold as cut flowers. Grow them in your garden, and they'll bloom with bright purple flowers. Artichokes are one of the most antioxidant-rich vegetables and have been linked with boosting liver health and function and even fighting cancer. They are rich in vitamin C, folate, and magnesium. They are a food you can feel great about eating any time of day. And today is the birthday of the Los Angeles restaurant, All Vegan Frank's, which opened today in 2019. All Vegan Frank's specializes in vegan hot dogs and offers a variety of flavors, including Sonoran Frank and Bulgogi Frank. They have many other tasty items on the menu, such as Nashville chicken sandwich and even vegan hot honey. And here's a poem for today, A Painting of Bamboo by Yang Qi. In painting bamboo, the spirit must be transmitted. Whoever said it's a matter of being realistic? Only you comprehended this principle. You must have been Master Yuko in a former life. A Painting of Bamboo by Yang Qi. This has been the Vegan's Almanac with a reminder, animals are our honored guests.